But what if you want to earn some free cryptocurrency? What you can do is go back to the home tab, and by scrolling down, this is where you're normally going to see these offers. So for example, there's the opportunity to earn $12 in VET to learn about the VeChain network. So let's go ahead and dive into that now and complete those steps. Ironically, after clicking on this, it says the campaign is unavailable. So sometimes there is a limit on how many people can redeem these offers. So I would recommend jumping on them as soon as you see them here. But if I click on see other learning rewards, we can see if there's anything else available. So there's learn crypto basics. This is one I think I completed in the past, so I don't think it's going to have a reward here for us, but you can visit this section here, the learning rewards, and you can get paid in cryptos for completing these learning modules. If we click here on task history, it's going to show, for example, how I earned $4 worth of the graph at one point by completing 4 short lessons, but these can be sporadic here. So if you see them, jump on them immediately, because there is going to usually be a limit of how many people can redeem those.